Hey guys, want to go over real quick how to post to your blog. It's pretty quick and simple. So get to your Weebly. So once you're here, you can go to your edit, your site. My suggestion would be to type up your response in a Word document, since you have to save it to a Word document anyways, and then just cut and paste into it. Okay. But I've got my blog here, so let me click on that. And all you got to do is come down here to New Post and scroll down a little bit and post the title. So this one would be Unit 1 Constitutional, I can't spell, underpinnings. Okay. Or you can name it something along those lines. It doesn't have to be that long. All right. So you've got your title. Now you're ready to put your stuff here. So you got to drag the elements. So the elements are over here. All right. So I'm just going to do some simple text. So here we go. And then click to edit. And you can begin typing. Okay. Federalism is fun. All right. Or whatever. Obviously, you're gonna have some. You can also just cut and paste. All right, so you have that option there. I haven't copied anything, but you can paste your Word document into there quickly and easily. All right. Once you are done, you are ready to go, and you just come up here where it says Post, and you click Post, and be sure it publishes. Once again, it is going to pop up and say, "Hey, your website's available." Don't try and buy it. Just click off of it. You should be good to go. All righty. If you want to put anything else in there, if you find a video that you think is good and relevant, there's ways to put that in here. Just scroll down. There's all kinds of elements here that you can find. There's a YouTube video somewhere, if I can find it. Well, HD video. There's stuff here. All right, if you want to space them out, dividers, and all those sorts of things. All right, so there is that. It is quick and simple, and once it is posted, it goes live. All right. So your post has been added. So now I got to publish it. And here's that thing. It's available. I don't care. I don't want to buy that one. So boom, I'm done. All right. And then I can go back in really quick and it says there's 0 comments. But if this was someone else's, you could come in and you could click on and write a comment. All right. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have trouble. I'll be available by remind all weekend if you have trouble or issues with your posting. All right.